Hey Rams! Welcome back to Grayslake Central High School for the 2026-2027 school year. Before we get into anything else this year, let's talk about something that matters in every single class you'll take: academic integrity. This isn't about catching anyone doing something wrong, it's about making sure we're all starting the year on the same page. Here's what we're covering today: what academic integrity actually means, why students sometimes cheat or plagiarize even when they know it's not okay, real examples of what counts as academic dishonesty, what happens if a violation does occur, and finally a few real-world scenarios we'll work through together. Let's start with the basics. Academic integrity is the value of being honest, ethical, and thorough in your academic work. The work you submit is actually yours. You give credit for others' ideas, you don't lean on AI without permission, and if you're struggling, you ask for help instead of finding a shortcut.
So here's the question worth sitting with. If students already know cheating and plagiarizing aren't okay, why does it still happen? At least 68% of high school students have plagiarized at some point. The reasons are usually about grade pressure, fear of failing, procrastination, disinterest, confusion about the rules, or a skill gap, not about being a dishonest person. Let's get specific about what this actually looks like. Dishonesty happens when you use someone else's essay or materials, have someone else write your work, copy-paste without credit, collaborate without permission, or give another student your finished work.
It also happens through electronic or verbal communication about an assessment, talking during a test, unauthorized use of Google Translate or ChatGPT, or any other action meant to get credit for work that isn't yours. Even if it's not intentional, it's still plagiarism. Intent doesn't undo the violation.
AI is technology designed to think, learn, and respond like a human. Used well, it can explain things differently, generate ideas, improve writing, save time, and offer extra practice. But it also brings real risks: over-reliance, academic dishonesty, bias, privacy concerns, loss of originality, less creative thinking, and no human judgment. That's why assignments carry traffic light icons. Red means no AI, yellow means AI for planning, collaboration only, green means full AI collaboration is allowed.
Use AI to support learning, not bypass it. It's unreliable, can't replace your own thinking, needs citation like any source, will be caught by our plagiarism software, and the policies will keep evolving. Writing to learn is crucial to your development as a student. That struggle can't be replaced by an AI generator.
Academic integrity is honesty, effort, and asking for help. It isn't stealing ideas, unauthorized AI, or taking shortcuts. Now, what actually happens if a violation occurs? Formatives are addressed directly with your teacher and department chair. Summatives get a 0 with access to a retake once the behavioral steps are complete.
Your first incident of academic integrity requires you to take this Schoology course, counselor meeting, 1 cycle without your RAMS pass. If it happens again and there is a second incident, a full team meeting, a behavior contract, 2 cycles of lost RAMS pass and possible code violation referrals for athletics and activities. For a third or more violations, a second meeting, possible in-school suspensions, and losing at least 3 cycles of your RAMS pass. It should also be noted here that this is for your entire high school career, and those violations do not reset at the end of each academic year.
This matters beyond high school too. Colleges describe consequences ranging from a failing grade to suspension or expulsion. Let's put this into practice with a few scenarios.
Hypothetical number 1. Overwhelmed and underprepared for a math test, juggling soccer and a job. Did you do the formative work, ask for help, visit the MARC, talk to your counselor, or take on too much outside of school?
Hypothetical number 2. A friend asks to see your finished essay, or ideas, the night before it's due. Is it collaborative? Could you help differently? Can you control how much they use, and if they use too much, is that on you too?
Hypothetical number 3. Your lab partner's report is done first, and you're tempted to just reword it. What was meant to be collaborative? What's appropriate paraphrasing? What does this risk for your partner? Is time really the obstacle here? That's it for today, Rams. Academic integrity isn't about being perfect, it's about honesty, asking for help, and owning your work. We're glad you're part of the RA Miley. Have a great year.